You see, the thing is like this. This is not the stand of the government, but my stand. Throughout, I have been given in papers that coal for us people coming from giant hills, it is our livelihood. It is enshrined in as a fundamental rights, and denying coal mining for my people from my district, which we have been practicing for nearly 4 decades, is like denying food for our people. How much it has affected the people there. I'm always for coal mining. That's why I said, okay, you start with your whatever coal mining, but at least my people should have to survive.
But you cannot do illegal things, no?
Illegal things for 40 years they have been doing this. Now one fine day you realize when my people are poor, nobody realize. You know, if you look at those people whom people here, educated people here call them coal baron or mafia, they don't even know the meaning of that coal baron or mafia. Did you ever ask why? Because they could not have education at that day. Those same people, when they were 9, 10, 11 years old, in those days, they were, we may not have bonded laborers, but they were walking to feed their family. Only when they are rich, then these people start realizing.
So are you saying that it's okay at the cost of coal mining involves people's life being lost here? We've seen many who died. So are you saying that it's okay?
You see, rat hole, coal mining, people are dying. It was after the ban. Then what happened? Tell me the story about that which happened in Sutunga area. Why those boys have to go to that rat hole, which is not safe. That time they were having this church meeting, no, in their area. So whenever you have a church meeting like a presbytery or a district, you have to feed people. They don't have money, so they risk their life because they don't have anything, because they have stopped mining. You see, coal mining, it doesn't mean that only the rich people. From this area where the truck has started, it has served so many along the lines. If you say this Kong who selling kwai at that particular time, chalan was also sold by those boys who help themselves in education. Then those who are selling, tea and jado and ja and all this, all along the way. And not only that, is even serving the people here who are selling their clothes and whatever thing in Shillong. It has served, it's an economy for the state. So it was stopped. Just one question. Unluckily, because of this thing, twice I was given a chance, but because of the problem in the parliament, I could not raise it. We have pollution in Delhi. Pollution in Delhi, especially in the winter time, was caused by what? By stubble burning. NGT was in Delhi. And I have raised a question in parliament. It was not only disease related, it was death related. Human being. I'm not talking of fish or animals. Human being. Why nothing was done? Something should be done also there, no? And NGT is there in Delhi. So why this?
So you are saying that NGT and Supreme Court orders are wrong as far as coal mining is concerned?
I never say that they are wrong. What I said is that yes, you are doing it here, you should do it there also, no?
So then why did not challenge for the last...
You see, I've tried to raise it in parliament, but I could not get it because of 2 times it was listed, but it was not there. I was trying to show this, that well, you have done here, why not you are doing here also?
So what is
it doesn't mean that just because we are far away and then you can do whatever you like with us, no?
But your government is adhering to the certain suggestions of the...
Yes, that's why I said, now the thing is they are suggesting that we'll have that scientific mining. They are going for that. But what we need is that it had to be mined, no, Jose? This mine should not stop, no? Because that's why I'm saying, for 40 years we have been doing this. And one fine day you just stop us. Without thinking, or less, at least central government should offer that, well, this is how much your people are losing. Take this money. That also was not offered to us. You just stop like that. Just because we are far away in the northeast. It should not be like that.